Alright y'all, man, so what's going on, and welcome to today's video, man. Gonna kind of get a quick start to today's video. Got a couple parts in, man. Actually about to head up to the shop, so I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all real fast what I got. Like I told y'all in the last video, I was gonna be getting the headers. They're here, already got them unboxed. Kind of in a rush right now, so I'm about to go ahead to meet up with my boy Wes from 5th Gear, because I actually have to get a new exhaust temperature sensor welded into these headers. So I'm about to go do that real fast, and I think he's actually on the side of the road helping out somebody with a blown up bug eye. So I'm about to go ahead and head over there. I will update y'all once I get there with the headers and everything like that, and we'll do like a quick unboxing, okay? Alright y'all, so just got back from 5th Gear actually, man. Got the headers picked up and was in for a surprise. Had a few other packages here, so I'm gonna go ahead and get everything unboxed, show y'all what's going on. I went ahead and, like I said, got the headers unboxed because I actually needed my new exhaust temperature sensor, the bong. I needed that welded onto these new headers. So let's just go ahead and get into the unboxing of all the new stuff that I got so y'all can check it out. Boy, these are gonna be so sick. I can't wait. Alright, so I did go with the equal length headers like I told you all. For me, it's not so much about the Subaru Rumble, more or less. Like I said, I'm trying to get the most power out of the motor possible. So equal lengths were the way to go with. I actually went with CNT, contacted them, reached out to them, and they were very gracious enough to send me a pair of their equal length headers. Went with one that had a little bit bigger diameter piping. Like I said, so I can get more flow. I swear I need a wider angle lens, man, because I feel like I'm having to really stretch my arm out to get this angle. But so yeah, I went with those. I actually will be wrapping them. I was gonna get them coated, ceramic coated, but I'm gonna do like a silicone coating first, and then wrap them with titanium wrap. I didn't go with the traditional fiberglass one with titanium just because I heard it held up a little bit better and it's easier to work with when wrapping up the header. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and get that wrap. That's actually in one of these boxes down here. I mentioned in one of the other videos that also I had new lug nuts, because I was still rocking like some AutoZone lug nuts. And they're actually a really good quality. So you already know I had to get the neochrome. With me having like a deep wheel, these help out a whole lot. So that's that. Both of those. Oh, I think this is actually the box where the new sensor has. Huge shout out. I want to thank RallySport Direct, man, just because they're always super fast about shipping everything out. Literally I got all this stuff in like 2 days. I'm always on a time crunch when I'm doing a lot of my mods, so this actually really helped out a whole lot. So huge shout out to RallySport, man. I appreciate y'all. Thank you for this sick ass sparkle shirt. I don't know if y'all have ever noticed in my car. So in my car on the A-pillar, I actually have two gauge pod spots. One of them actually has my wideband, and the second one I'm gonna do an E85 sensor, but I don't have anything there right now. So I actually went ahead and got the Pro Sport gauge blanks until I get that in, just because I hate having to look at that open spot on that gauge pod. But like I said, I'll be getting a ethanol content sensor. Still, I've got a lot of stuff coming, man. I can't remember everything, but once we get the unboxings done, hopefully I will be able to at least get the headers wrapped for y'all. Maybe not get them on the car yet, but I know the next video will most likely be to start up with the equal lengths on. May just have a refresh tune just to be safe, even though I probably won't need it. But I really want to get back on the dyno. I want to see what type of numbers I make with the car. We got one last box to open up, and then we will get into some other stuff real quick. Oh yeah, this is the wrap kit I was telling you about. So for those of you who are actually thinking about heat wrapping exhaust downpipes, whatever it is, mid pipe, manifolds. This was actually recommended to me by a friend. Huge shout out, Robert. Appreciate the recommendation. Like I said, I got the titanium wrap with the silicone spray. I'll go ahead and open this up. I actually was not the hugest fan of wrapping anything for that matter, until I read up a little bit more on it and how it's a little bit, you know, it's a little bit safer now than, you know, before. It comes with not one, but 2 rolls of the titanium wrap, silicone spray, and again, I got mine in black. Obviously, you got the stainless steel ties. So yeah, it comes with the tool. That black thing right there is the tool to actually tighten these down. I think I'll maybe go ahead and wrap one for y'all. So that's the design engineering wrap kit. I got mine. So I actually got the kit off Amazon. It was like 90 bucks, shipped 2 days, and it comes with all that right there. And that's all you need. And then when you're wrapping it, you just really want to just overlap it like a quarter of an inch, something like that. And that's just so you get the right amount of heat dissipation. Because if you overwrap it, then it could cause like overheating on the manifold, and then that's what starts making the metal real brittle and stuff like that. And that's when your cracks and stuff like that start happening. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap like maybe one. Go ahead and wrap one of them for y'all, let y'all see how it looks. Because I'm gonna have to spray it down anyway. Probably should, like I said, have it on within the next video or two, but I gotta wipe it down, and then I'm gonna spray it with the silicone spray that has to dry on it, and then I'll go ahead and start wrapping it. So yeah, you guys, that is it. We got the new Sparko shirt, the new Gorilla Steel lug nuts. We've got the design engineering heat wrap, spray, and the stainless steel. The headers, the new equal length headers, as well as the Pro Sport blank gauge pod. But I'll be updating y'all once I get this onto the car. Probably won't get it on tonight just because it's a little bit late already. And I'm about to start streaming. I know a lot of you guys who follow me on social media have been seeing me post about the streaming. I have been streaming a lot lately on Twitch, but I've been playing Fortnite, Call of Duty, Black Ops 4. I don't know if any of you guys play that. I play a little bit of PUBG, not a lot. Fortnite's the bigger game right now, so obviously I'm gonna play on a bigger platform. So yeah, man, I will actually put the link down here in the description for my channel. Also put my gamer tag down there. I'll be adding a couple of people. Say like the first 15 to 20 people that add me, I'll add them, and we can get in a couple games together, hop in the live stream. So that's probably going to do it for today's video, you guys. Appreciate everybody watching to the very end. Like I said, the next video will most likely be me getting on the headers. I have spacers on the way. Oh, focus. I'm about to get a little bit more aggressive with the fitment on the STI. The wheels still are not on their way yet. Still waiting for those, and we're getting inching closer and closer to getting that new project car. So I will be streaming all December. I'll be making a lot more videos come December. I'm going to be streaming every day on Twitch. Click the links down in the description. Add me on Xbox Live. Follow me on Twitch. And hopefully, like I said, hopefully we get paired up together. I'll hop in some games with you guys. But that's going to do it for today's video. Appreciate everybody who's been staying to the end of all these videos. If you're not already, subscribe. Just take a couple seconds. It takes like 2 seconds to subscribe. Get locked in. Like, comment, share, whatever, man. I want to thank y'all for supporting me this far, man. And peace out.
And you did it right from the start.